Hello mga ka-diaries! Welcome sa ating first lesson ngayong araw. Our lesson for today is all about introduction to sets. At the end of this lesson, the learners must be able to illustrate well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, null set, and cardinality of sets. But before we start, let's have our first learning task. For this activity, you have to identify all possible answers for the following statements. Statement number 1. All provinces in Region 4A. Your 10 seconds starts now. Were you able to get all the answers? I hope you got them all. The answers are Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon. Statement number 2. Numbers greater than 8. Your timer starts now. How many numbers were you able to list? The answers are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on. Statement number 3. All subjects in grade 7. You have 10 seconds. Go. Were you able to get all the answers? The answers are English, Math, Filipino, Science, MAPE, TLE, AP, Values Education. Statement number 4. Vowels in the English alphabet. Ready, get set, go. So the answers are A, E, I, O, U. And for the last statement, 5 animals with 4 legs. Your timer starts now. Were you able to give 5 animals? So the answers are dog, cat, cow, carabao, and horse. And of course, other animals are correct as long as they have 4 legs. So, kumusta ang ating activity? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? This activity is a preview of the concept of sets. Later on, we will discuss the terminologies used when working with sets. These are the terminologies that you must remember. Set is a well-defined collection of different objects. Any objects such as numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, and symbol can make up a set. The object included in a set are code elements. They must share a common characteristics or definition to be a part of a set. Set can be a collection of shapes such as circle, heart, diamond, square, triangle. Or it can be a collection of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another example of a set is a set of animals. cat, dog, rat, sheep. Subset is a set whose elements are members of another set. Let's say we have a set A whose elements are the numbers from 1 to 5. So set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Notice that all elements of B can be found in A. So B is a subset of A. We denote this by B is a subset of A. Consider set C is equal to 3, 4, 5. Similarly, all elements of C are in A. So C is also a subset of A. Now we look at set D, whose elements are 4, 5, 6. Check the elements of both sets. By looking closely, we see that 6 is not an element of A. So D is not a subset of A. We denote this as D is not a subset of A. Universal set, usually denoted by U, is a set that contains all elements. To illustrate the universal set, let's say that we have the set U, whose elements are the numbers from 1 to 10. From these sets, we can create the following sets. Set A, whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, with elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set C, with elements 8, 9, 10, and so on. We can create several sets using only elements from set U, since set U is the universal set. For example, we cannot have D with elements 10, 11, 12. Since 11 and 12 are not elements of the universal set. Null set is an empty set. It has no element. The null set is a subset of any set. To illustrate the null set, consider set A, whose elements are the whole numbers between 4 and 5. Can you think of any? Since there are none, set A is a null set. Another example, consider set B, whose elements are the animals with 3 legs. There are none, right? Therefore, B is also a null set. Cardinality is the number of elements contained in a set. To illustrate cardinality, consider set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since there are 5 elements, the cardinality of set A is 5. And we write it as equal to 5. Another example, take a look at set C, whose elements are the following shapes. Let's count how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the cardinality of set C is equal to 3. So in conclusion, we were able to study and learn the following: well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, null set, and cardinality of sets. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang lesson natin? Kung oo, huwag niyong kalimutang i-like, i-share, at subscribe for more Chalkboard Diaries lessons. Hanggang sa susunod, paalam!